Our group presentation topic is project management competency. In our presentation, we have divided into 4 parts. The first one is the introduction, next categories, finally is the conclusion and the references.
Project management competence is a complex system. It generally means applying a set of skill, knowledge, as well as personal characteristics in project management for achieving expected outcomes. The common PM competence includes, for example, communication skill, leadership, applying various project approach, resources allocation, and so on. These competencies are essential and are widely used in every step of PM. For example, communication skill is applied when negotiating with other stakeholders or their own group. When applying various project approach, there should be basic knowledge about this approach and even the competence of being a good listener for better understanding of the customer's requirements. Facing so many project management competencies, the article of Project Management Competence Development Framework written by PMI divides them into 3 categories: knowledge, performance, and personal competence. Knowledge competence is the information project managers know about applying tools or techniques or process in project management activities. This competence includes how to calculate net present value or the contract types, how to make project management plan, as well as how to use various methodologies to monitor and control. Project team could gain knowledge competence through learning, attending PMP examination, or through project management working experience. But what is certain is that the more knowledge competencies project management teams have, the more professional their work will be.
The personal competency covers how the project manager behaves in a project. So this relates to their attitude and personality, as well as how they carry out their project activities. This area includes communicating, negotiating, leading, and decision-making. While all are important, but in this part, our group will focus on communicating and leading competency. Communicating competency is the ability to control the language and accurately express the message. Project managers should have an ability to communicate with others using different ways. For example, in agile delivery approach, customers always change the demands and overturn the previous one, so the project manager should communicate in advance to tell them what time point they can change. By doing that, the project team can deliver the benefits and value sooner and efficiently. Moving on to the leading competency. It refers to the ability of project managers how to influence the project team and achieve the project goals. From the different period, project managers should change their strategies. In the forming period, the project manager takes more common style to assign tasks. In the storming and norming period, they should focus on the regulation of organizational behavior and create a good project culture. When the project is on track, they should encourage each one to make a decision reasonably.
Performance competence is how project managers use the knowledge for meeting project goals and achieving project management success. Our team will only use team recruitment and development and conflict resolution as examples. Project team recruitment and development is the task of human resource management and focuses on the future development of projects. This competence is used by many projects to look for suitable candidates when recruiting. Project managers use performance competence models such as MCI standards as a part of their development centers to developing existing staff. The aim is to establish the competence traits required in some specific jobs, and they are possessed by different candidates. Speaking of conflict resolution, it is a capacity that project managers have to solve conflict or reduce the impact conflicts would bring to. This is enveloping clauses. Project managers can develop injections by use the models to invalidate some of conflicts and balance the interests of stakeholders. To sum up, our team discussed 3 performance management competence and explained several examples of them. The PMCD framework is a good tool for project management to use knowledge, competence, and skills into practice. The final objective is to make sure the success of a project. This is our reference list. Thank you for listening.